How to pin a chat in WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a chat in WhatsApp in just few steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see chat section on the bottom. Click on it. After that, go to the chat that you want to pin, then swipe right. Here you can see two different options, on read and pin. Simply click on this pin option to pin a chat. And that's it. This is how you can pin a chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.